This is Bernoulli's inequality. Let us prove it by taking induction method. It is the most important inequality which we used in many of the examples, right? Now, what is the inequality is 1 plus p की whole की power n which is greater than to 1 plus np. For p is greater than equals to minus n1 and n is greater than equals to 2, right? Not n is less than to 2, 1 and this. It is greater than equals to 2. Now, for induction method, we know that we have to prove firstly take n equals to 1 and n equals to, suppose that for n equals to k it is true and n can prove that for n is equals to k plus 1, right? So firstly take n is equals to 1. This implication is true or not. When you take n is equals to 1, this gives you 1 plus p q. It is true for n is equals to 2, right? It is 2 for n is equals to 2. Then it is 1 plus p ka whole square which is gives you 1 plus 2p plus p square, right? And right hand side gives you 1 plus 2p. So 1 plus p square is greater than 2 1 plus 2p. So LHS is greater than 2 RHS. This implies this inequality, right? So n is equals to 2. That satisfied. This satisfy for n is equals to 2. Okay. Now let us suppose for n is equals to k 1 plus p की whole की power k which is greater than to 1 plus kp, right? First is true. Now let us take n is equals to k plus 1, right? If we want to prove that by proving induction method, right? So it is also true for n equals to k plus 1. Then we say that it is true for whole n. 1 plus p की whole की power k plus 1 which gives you 1 plus p into 1 plus p की whole की power k, right? That this is, we know that 1 plus kp it is greater than to 1 plus kp, right? So this gives this. After producting and product the elements, we take 1 plus kp 1 plus p plus kp square. This gives you k plus 1 of p plus kp square. After ignoring kp square, we take 1 plus k plus 1 p, right? So it gives 1 plus p की whole की power k plus 1 which is greater than to 1 plus k plus 1 of p. So it is true for n is equals to k plus 1. How to it is true? Because we take that 1 plus p की whole की power k it is greater than to 1 plus kp. So if you take k plus 1, then it is also true for 1 plus p की whole की power k plus 1 is greater than to 1 plus k plus 1 of p. So we prove by taking induction method, that is Bernoulli's equation is true.